Yeah, hello everyone. Good morning. I'm sorry for the delay. So I'm waiting for other people to join. Okay. So are you able to see the screen, right? Okay. So today's demo session is about Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. So most of the people heard about a lot of HR products like PeopleSoft, SAP Success Factors, and then ADP. All these things, they are providing software for HR activities. HR activities means hiring, and then all these things, whatever the day-to-day operations of HR, they will do on a software. Okay. So all these things, there are some companies, very limited companies are there in the market who are providing software for HR. So what are the companies they are providing is, number one is Workday. Okay. As per the market share, number one is Workday. Number two is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Generally, we will call it as Oracle Fusion Cloud applications. There are so many applications inside Oracle Fusion. It's complete ERP suite. So it is a complete ERP suite. Okay, I'll tell you what is the difference between Workday and Oracle Fusion Cloud apps. Generally, we'll call it as cloud applications. In short term, we will call it as cloud apps. So earlier, Oracle used to have a ERP application called as e-business suite. I think most of the people here, they know what is e-business suite. Electronic business suite. E means electronic business suite. They have developed e-business suite in the year 1994. Until now, this 2025, 30 years completed. Sorry, 30 years, 31 years completed. Still, customers, there are so many customers, millions of customers are there for e-business suite. They want to migrate. According to the latest technologies, they want to migrate because e-business suite was developed in Java. They have developed in Java that is completely non-cloud or on-premise. We'll call it on-premise applications. On-premise application. I think most of them heard about e-business suite, Oracle e-business suite. That is completely an ERP-based application. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. So ERP, generally, we don't have any kind of coding. Any ERP based applications, they are having zero coding. Okay. 100% setups and configurations only. Setups and configurations. Sir, you are saying zero coding. Is it really possible without any kind of coding? Yes. So how is it possible? Like Java is completely 100% coding. You need to know a lot of programming techniques and all these things. Then on top of Java, they have developed ERP, right? Then how ERP is having with zero coding? Because Oracle ERP is a product. Okay. Oracle ERP is a product. Whether it is e-business suite or okay, leave out e-business suite for now. It's a Fusion. We are talking about Fusion Cloud Apps, right? Oracle Cloud Apps. So it's a product. Who has built that product? Who has built that product, Lakshman? Yes. So this product has built by Oracle. Okay. This was built by Oracle and it is completely SaaS based application. SaaS based application means software as a service. So Oracle has completely built the product in Java and all the coding, whatever the requirements from the client, they will gather all the requirements and they develop the product based upon the huge number of client requirements. client requirements, they will prioritize which requirement to be released in this quarter, because Oracle is having millions of customers, right? Oracle is having millions of customers. From last 30 years, right? And all of them are big customers, means enterprise grade customers. So all of them are enterprise grade customers, like banking sector, big banks, infrastructure companies, hospitals, and then motor field, automotive, food industry, food and retail, logistics. So what not, every industry Oracle will touch. So every industry Oracle is having customers. So there are so many customer requirements, and at a time Oracle also cannot cater all the requirements. So what Oracle will do is, while building the Oracle Fusion Cloud apps, they will take the common requirements from all the customers, common requirements from all the customers, and build the Fusion apps. Okay. So earlier, Oracle used to have different products like JD Edwards, and then PeopleSoft. PeopleSoft is an Oracle product only. PeopleSoft, and for recruiting, Talio is there. Okay, Talio Enterprise Edition is there. And then for ERP, e-business suite. Okay. So Oracle is still maintaining, there are so many, and Siebel. Still Siebel, there are customers for Siebel. So Oracle is maintaining so many on-premise products, and they are not suitable for the today's customers' need. Means today customer needs, what they are looking is like, do you provide artificial intelligence along with ERP? They're asking, customers is asking, can AI is embedded in ERP to get the predictions and all? These cannot we cannot embed AI in this old applications, because they are old applications, on-premise applications. Now Oracle, they are embedding artificial intelligence in Oracle Fusion Cloud applications. So whatever the best features in all these Oracle products, apart from that one, they have taken from ADP, they have taken from SAP, they have taken from Infor, and they have taken from UKG. There are outside competitors. These are competitors. They have taken from Salesforce. So they have copied some of the best features in the market, and every best of the best feature they have included in Oracle Fusion Cloud applications. Okay. So this is Oracle Fusion Cloud applications. This is the title you are seeing, right? What is the title of the applications? Oracle Fusion Cloud applications, right? So this is the Oracle Fusion Cloud application, what we are discussing so far. So this is the best of the best features from the in-house and the competitors. Okay, this is the in-house products, Oracle in-house products. And the competitors. Okay. So now, what is the advantage? 2 minutes, guys. Just 2 minutes. Okay. So from okay, so you are saying that Oracle Fusion Cloud Apps, they are built from the competitors, from the in-house. Then what is the advantage of learning Oracle Fusion Cloud Apps? Okay. What is the advantage of learning? So you are telling the best features are there and here and there. And so what is the advantage of learning from me? For me? Okay. What is the advantage of learning Oracle Fusion Cloud Apps? Okay. If somebody is learning any course, there should be some advantage, right? So otherwise, what is the use of learning that one? It's a waste of time and money, right? Time, money, and effort. Okay, I'll tell you the advantages right now. So if you are completely from non-IT background, if you are completely from non-IT background, want to switch to IT background, this is the best course because there is no coding. Okay, there is no coding, and at the same time, there are so many job opportunities are there. Okay, there are so many job opportunities are there. So what is the evidence? So what is the evidence that there are so many job opportunities are there for Oracle Fusion Cloud Apps? So just we will go to Naukri and search here Oracle Fusion HCM consultant. Simple. Oracle Fusion HCM consultant. This is the keyword. So once you learn this course, you will become Oracle Fusion HCM consultant. Okay. Search this keyword. How many job opportunities are there? Jade Global is one of the best company. It is taking 3 to 8 years. Capita Technologies, Sutherland, Oracle. Oracle itself is taking, there are so many job opportunities for 10 to 15 years. Okay, leave about 10 to 15 years. So this training is mainly focused up to 0 to 4 years. Let us take 0 to 4 years only. Okay, more than 4 years you cannot crack because of experience and all. But with my training, you can crack up to 4 years of job requirement. Okay, 4 years is there are 47,000 of okay, whatever the jobs are there. Let us take for 4 years, what is the package they are starting? 10 to 15 lakhs, 15 to 25 lakhs, 20 to 50 lakhs. Okay, we will leave about this one. Search, sometimes search will not work properly. So what are the companies they are hiring? So Oracle Fusion HCM functional consultant directly Oracle itself is taking for 3 to 5 years. Hyderabad and Bangalore. HCM functional consultant. So for one job, what is the competition? One or two employees. Okay, for one job, only the competition is 1 or 2 people have applied. Okay. So with my training, you can crack this interview. With my training, you can crack 3 to 5 years of experience interview. Okay. So what are the products they are asking? Minimum 2 implementations they are asking. I will provide 50 implementation projects. So previous batches I have given promise to 30 implementation projects. I will provide you 50 implementation projects. Sir, you are saying 50 implementation projects. Is it really possible? Yes. it's possible. So I'll tell you how it is possible. Because I have made my previous batches to work on trainings, to work on developing the complete projects, and I am collecting all the data and I am making them to practice. Okay. So let us take this and export and import setup data. Once you are comfortable learning, practicing 3 to 5 projects, you don't have to do manually as well. So all the projects data. So we will give in terms of zip file. So everything will be zipped and we will provide it to you. You have to unzip and you have to import and export. That's it. So let us take, we're having FedEx. We're having the data for some of them. Yeah, Liberty. So I am in the process of collecting all the data. So by end of this training, I will provide you 50 implementation projects data. 50 implementations means from where we are collecting the data. That is also important, right? So it's not like dummy data. Whatever the data, whatever the projects we are giving, these are all real-time Oracle customers. So these are all real-time Oracle customers. Okay, Boeing Airlines, Cisco, City of Tampa Partners, Kohu, Diebold Nixdorf, Dolphin Fitness, Emblem Health, FedEx. All these are real-time Oracle customers. We are collecting the data by going to Oracle. By going to Oracle customers, HCM customer success. Okay, so these are the customers, real-time customers. Northwell Health is a real-time customer. So we are collecting all the data from the Northwell, and we are how real-time people will do the work. We are doing the same thing, and we are importing and exporting using Oracle functionality. Okay, Northwell Health legal structures. So same thing, I'll provide you after completion of your projects, after completion of the training, 50 implementation projects. So what Oracle is asking here in the requirements, 2 implementations experience. They're asking simple two implementations. I am providing 50 implementation projects. So in the 50, you can take any of your 10 implementations and start practicing that one end to end. You have to understand the business. After completion of the training, you will know how to understand the requirements, how to understand the project, how to do the project, everything you will understand. If you practice 10 full-time implementation projects, in the full-time implementations, you take at least 4 implementations and keep it in your resume, and you have to be perfect while explaining the project. Definitely you will get the job. Definitely will get the job. Okay. So what are the modules we are covering in our training? Okay. All these modules we are covering. Recruiting, learning, compensation, benefits, time and labor. So these are not, we are not covering, because in 4 months, if you learn core, recruiting is an optional, I am telling you again. So if you practice this one, that is more than enough. Okay. So what they are saying, should have done end-to-end implementation for 2 or more modules. They are not asking all the modules. 2 or more. 2 or more, right? So we are giving payroll, absence, security, core HR and talent. 5 modules I am telling you. 5 modules. Again, in the talent, there are so many sub-modules would be there. That's what it says, talent modules. Talent, there are so many sub-modules would be there. So total, if you see this one, I have shared you the to call so this is the modules actually we are covering. So global HR is the biggest module and it is also known as core HR. And then global payroll, this is second biggest module, and then profile management. All these things comes under talent. Profile management, goal management, performance management, succession management, talent review. So these are all called as talent modules, sub-modules. So we are covering this one, and then absence management, HDL. So this is not only a functional consultant, we are giving training, we are also giving for technical as well. Technical means, so technical side of the fusion. So HDL, HSDL reports and all these things. And securities. So what Oracle is saying here, so fusion securities, right? This is called as application security. This is 15th module. And the latest one is Redwood and Journeys and HCM Communicate. We will also provide you the knowledge on these two latest updates. Okay, total, if you consider total 17 modules we are going to cover. That's why I'm telling you it will take 4 months of time. 4 months of dedication and hard work and effort. It will take 4 months, daily 1 hour, or sometimes it will go to 1.5 hours as well, depend upon the particular subject what we are discussing. Some of the topics it will take 1.5 hour or even 2 hours also, but we cannot skip in between. That's why we will complete within the same module, same session. Sometimes it will go up to 2 hours also, but maximum I will avoid that kind of situations. Maximum timing would be 1.5 hour. Okay. And so why you have to learn the, we have seen as of now basics, right? As of now we have seen basics. So why we have to learn ERP, or why we have to change our career from existing to ERP is completely zero coding. Okay, we will remove the headache of coding, because over a period of time artificial intelligence will kill the coding. At that time we should be ready. Okay, if you in the coding sector, so artificial intelligence is your competitor. Simple, not your colleague. Your colleague is not a competitor. Artificial intelligence is our competitor, and we cannot compete with that one. Whereas this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, artificial intelligence cannot provide solutions. It's really a human-based application, because Oracle has not opened doors for artificial intelligence. Even the artificial intelligence, whatever they are embedding, their own artificial intelligence. It's not like Chat GPT or somebody's like Meta's LLM and all these things. So whatever the artificial intelligence they are embedding, it's Oracle artificial intelligence only, in-house artificial intelligence. Okay. Here analytical skills are required, whereas logical skills are not that much required, because we don't do any kind of logical kind of compare to writing the code, because already everything is provided by Oracle. Everything is provided by Oracle. I'll show you the example why logical skills are not required here. Yeah. So this is a payroll implementation for, let us take an example company called Zepto, or let us take an example company called FedEx. So this is the implementation phase, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, phase 5, phase 6, and phase 7. So there is no logic here. Everything you have to follow sequentially. Step by step, there would be a sequential steps would be there, and your manager will assign tasks. Each and every people, they will assign tasks, and they have to complete in a sequential manner. So if you by heart all these 40 sequential steps, you are 80% confident in payroll module. If you by heart all the sequential steps, all the tasks. You are 80% confident in handling the payroll interview questions and handling the payroll products. So there is no logical skills here. Just you have to by heart the particular sequence, particular task name, and how to do the task, and how to verify whether the task has been completed or not. And all these things, there is no logical skills are not required. But analytical skills are required, because why analytical skills are required is to understand the requirement and then to map the requirement to Oracle products. Okay. And here you have to remember the navigations. You have to remember the navigations means you have to understand the complete Fusion Cloud Applications product. Fusion Cloud Applications product. So this is called as navigator. Okay, this is called as navigator. This is called as a home page. Okay, we have landed into our home page. This is called as a home page. This is called as a favorites button. This is called as a notification bell icon. And this is the main part, settings and actions. So these two things, one is navigator is important, and second one is settings and actions. Click on settings and actions. It will go to the important thing called setup and maintenance. As an implementation consultant or functional consultant, our main job remains in setup and maintenance. And if you want to log out, you just click on sign out button. Okay. So this is the Oracle Fusion Cloud application in real time. So this is called as a demo instance. We will call it this one as a demo instance. This kind of instance is mainly required to practice the theoretical concepts. So let us take, I'll tell a lot of theoretical concepts every day, right? So manage geographies, manage legal address. So let us take define legal address. So how to define the legal address for the company? So what is meant by legal address and how to define that one? Everything is theory. But here, I want to do the practical thing, how production, how people in production they do. We have to come to the environment and we have to do it here. We have to come to here and we have to search the task, manage legal address. So here there is nothing to do. Just I have to remember the task name. There is nothing really, there is nothing logic, right? Just I have to by heart the task name. Okay, if something requirement comes in legal address, so what is the task name I have to remember? Manage legal address. So that is why. So here I have not given any task name because you have to by heart that one. Okay, you have to remember each and every task name. That's why I have not given here that one. So legal address. Manage legal address. Click on manage legal address. And you want to create one new legal address. Just click on plus symbol. And in which country our company we are establishing. And all these things we will give here. Okay. Okay. We will give the postal code as 1001 Manhattan, New York. Automatically, it will select all the values and click on OK. So it will select that all the values. So what we have created just now, we have created a legal address. So while going to register any company, before that one we need to establish an address, right? We have given a legal address, and then we need to click on save and close. Just I'm giving a sample example how easy this kind of ERP is. Now what I have to do, whether the address has been created or not, I need to verify. So Tata Motors US HQ, Manhattan, New York. Okay, so it was created. That's it. So most of 80% of the tasks are as simple as this. If you understand, if you practice well, 80% of the tasks. Okay, let us take 70%, not 80%. 70% of the tasks it would be like this only. And remaining 30%, you need to practice well, you need to understand, like in payroll, particularly in payroll, you need to understand a little bit complex scenarios. But apart from payroll, what we are discussing here, just now I have shown that apart from this global payroll, remaining all are like simple things only. But global payroll is a little bit complex, but this is the most demanded course, obviously, right? So whenever something is complex, that will have a lot of demand. If everything is easy, then everybody will get the job. So this is the most demanded course in the market. Why it is most demanded course in the market? Global payroll and HCM is, right? Why global payroll is having so much demand is, right? It is the most complex and what you call it? It is serving the most number of countries. So this is the global payroll. Global payroll is serving 14 different countries. If you learn only one of the products, not entire HCM also. If you learn only one product, that is global HR, so it is serving almost 14 different countries. Like almost all are rich countries, and you will get a lot of on-site opportunities like United States, UK, Canada, Mexico, Ireland, France, Saudi Arabia, all the Gulf countries, Islamic countries. All the Islamic countries, they have purchased Oracle. And if you learn Saudi Arabia or UAE, there are so many job opportunities are there outside India, not only in India. And Indian payroll is also there. Guys, so this is a payroll. And so every day I'll write articles on complete Oracle Fusion HCM. So this is our Medium channel, blog channel. If you go to here, stories, 199. In that one, I have written almost around. These are the headings I have created, and going forward, I'll update each and every article. So by end of your training, each and every topic you will have an article. By end of the training, each and every topic you will have an article. You will have one video on everything. So like this is our channel, YouTube channel. So most important videos are interview questions. So whatever the interview related questions, I'll upload all these things in like by editing all these things, I'll upload in the channel. So every day videos will be uploaded in a app. There is an app called as our app, Future Proof Trainings app is there, app.futureproof trainings. And this is the website. Okay. This is the website you can go. And then this is the app. So you can learn from app daily. You can log in and log out. Let us take so it will ask you to enter the OTP. Just enter the OTP of your mobile. It will ask you the name. Let us take. So it will show like this. Okay. So these are the previous batches. Okay, these are the previous batches. So January 23rd and March 10th, the two batches are going, morning batches. Okay. In that are so many videos are there. So these are for my students only. I have given as for 1 rupee. I have given for 1 rupee and all these things. So once you are my student, you will get access to these videos. So I'll create another new batch, and every day whatever the videos, whatever the class videos will be uploaded in the batch. Today, today what is date? May 17th. So we will start batch as May 17th. In that every day video will be uploaded. Okay. For my students, it will get for only 1 rupee apart from the course fees. Course fees is 25,000 if you pay at one time. And if you pay 2 times, it is 15 plus 15. Okay. First month you can pay, and after 45 days you can pay the second installment. Okay, so you can go through all the videos what I have given lectures in first batch and second batch. Okay, you can go through all the videos, and if you like my videos, then only you can join in the classes. Okay, so this is my, nobody will give access like this, the complete content. So what are the videos? Almost we are having 50 plus videos, I think. 60 plus videos. The entire global HR is there up to manage departments. Entire course of global HR I have given in this video for only 1 rupee. You can take and you can go through that one. And if you like that one, you can join in the classes, because you don't have to trust me just by 1 or 2 demos. You can go through entire course of global HR. And then payroll. There is another video. Total 58 videos are there. Okay, and this is for the second batch. For the first batch, completely global HR and global payroll got completed, and for second batch, it is only global HR got completed. So you can go through the video here, all the videos. Okay. So every for your batch also, I'll create one batch name, and every day I'll upload that one. So whatever the classes we are discussing, you can learn from your any time. You can learn either from website, this app.futureprooftrainings.com, or you can go to Play Store in your mobile, Play Store, and you can install this app. You can install this Futureproof Trainings app, and you can learn from your mobile also. Anytime you can learn from your mobile. When you are having some free time of 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or half an hour, you can go through the app and you can listen those videos. Okay, so we are providing through app, we are providing through website all my existing videos. Means day-to-day videos I'll upload in that app and website, so that when you are having free time, you can again listen and practice. Okay, this is support we are providing apart from day-to-day classes. Okay, and now, so if you learn only one product inside HCM, that is global payroll, which is providing for 14 countries, we are having 14 different countries opportunities. Means on-site opportunities, what I'm saying. So this is called as a predefined. Predefined means for rich countries, Oracle has provided payroll. Rich countries means obviously they will ready to pay that amount, right? So for Australia, Bahrain, and then Canada, and then France, Germany, and then India. Why India? India is not a rich country, but why India it has provided is because of all the product, whatever the product they built is because of Indians. So most of the product leaders in Oracle, they are Indians. And because of obviously they will have some kind of what you call patriotism, right? And apart from that, in terms of business, this is the recent year update. So this 2025 only they came payroll for India. So why? Because the next coming years, India is going to be the next biggest economy, and most of the workforce, most of the youngsters are coming to workforce. For them, they have to run the payroll, right? Millions of youngsters are coming to workforce, and that's the biggest opportunity for Oracle to run the payroll for all these things, all these people. So for that reason, even though India is not a rich country, because of the workforce, there are millions of people are ready to come into workforce. Already so many people are working, and most of the product leaders are from India. They have developed payroll for India. Now, for the last 10 years, there is no payroll for India. They are running only for US and rich countries only. They used to develop payroll. But recently, this year only, they have introduced payroll for India as well. If you learn payroll for India, there are so many companies, they are adopting Oracle India payroll. Okay. And then Ireland, Italy, Kuwait. Kuwait is the richest country. Kuwait, one of the richest country. And then Mexico. Mexico is mainly for North American payroll. US and Mexico both are similar. That's why they are given for Mexico. And Netherlands and Oman. Okay, all Gulf countries, Islamic countries, they are rich. That's why for each country they're having payroll. Saudi Arabia. So if you why I'm telling only particularly for payroll is 70 to 80% of payroll, 80% of payroll or 85% of payroll is common across all the products, all the legislations or countries. Only 15% is customizations. 15% differs from India, US, or Saudi Arabia, or United Arab Emirates. If you master those 15% of each 14 countries, you can go to the particular country and you can work for the particular payroll. There are so many job opportunities are there for particularly only for payroll. Okay, that is the reason I'll mostly stress on payroll and global HR and talent management, and I'll help you in what you call attending the certifications from Oracle. Okay, so we have discussed in terms of Oracle Global HR, Global Payroll, and all these things. Now we will see why we need to learn in terms of comprehensive. I am coming back. The job guarantee. Okay, job guarantee. I'll provide you the job guarantee if you practice like a employee for daily 8 hours. Job guarantee means I'll take the mock interviews. I'll find out the gap analysis. Every weekend I'll take the mock interviews. I'll conduct the written tests and everything, and I'll make you prepared for 3 to 5 years of experienced persons. And I'll identify the gaps and I'll find out and I'll give you the gap analysis so that you can cover that one and you can easily get the job. But I'll expect. So let us take an example of medium. How I'll track my students is like it's a kind of personalized training, right? How I'll track my students is let us take for followers. Okay. So everyday assignments I will check whether the particular student is doing everyday assignment or not. So if you are doing everyday assignment, it is easy for you and it is easy for me to help. So it is easy for you to get the job and it is easy for me also to help you because I can have a trust. Okay, if I help that particular person, definitely he will crack the job. Based on his hard work, I can assess. Okay. Every day I'll track you if you follow Oracle, if you follow future-proof technologies. I'll track your status. I'll track your assignments, and based on that, I'll help you to get into the job. For other students also, definitely I'll help, but I'll see your commitment as well. That's what I'm trying to convey here. Based on your commitment, my side also definitely extra commitment I'll provide. Okay, apart from the trainings. Okay, that is why I'm telling you job guarantee. And then second one is zero coding. So completely zero coding, precision proof, and very easy to learn. And people from non-IT background also, they can come and join in this course and they can transform their career into IT background. I told you right in the payroll, there are so many job opportunities are there if you learn one product. And if you want to go to foreign countries, this is the best course. And which companies are hiring? These are the companies: Oracle, Deloitte, Accenture, Ernst & Young, PwC, Capgemini, IBM, Infosys, whatnot. All the Fortune companies, they are hiring for these employees. And this demand will be there for next 10 years. This demand will be there for next 10 years. Okay, definitely for next 10 years. So I'm having total 16 plus years of experience. In that 12 years of experience in Oracle. I worked in Oracle and ADP. So total out of 16 plus years of experience, 12 years of experience is particularly into human capital management. Okay, and if you can complete 5 end-to-end capstone projects means just projects, end-to-end implementation, definitely will get the job. So we will provide course completion certificate if you pass my exam. I'll conduct a toughest exam, and if you can pass that exam, then only I'll provide course completion certificate. Not for persons who just attend the course. I will not provide any kind of course completion certificate. If you pass my exam only, then only I will provide course completion certificate. It is the toughest exam. I'll collect the questions from all the certifications and I'll conduct. And whatever the subject I have told to my student, in that only I will conduct. Whatever the subject, whatever the content I have told to my student, in that only I will conduct the exam. If you crack that exam and if you pass that exam with 80%, pass percentage here is 80%. In any Oracle certifications, pass percentage means 65, but here the internal benchmark for me is 80%. If you pass with 80%, then only you will get course completion certificate. If you get this course completion certificate means definitely you will get the job. And video access for revision and practice, and we will help you in resume building, mock interviews, and all these things. Okay, so we'll provide 3 to 5 demo cloud instances, depend upon the availability. Sometimes we will get 5 demo environments, sometimes we'll get 3 demo environments for 12 months, means exactly 1 year. 12 months, it's a promise. Okay, 3 to 5 demo cloud instances I will provide you. This is just like what is instance means, this is the instance, demo instance. Like this, we will provide 5 demo instances based upon the availability. Otherwise, I will provide a minimum 3 instances, or at least for practice, 1 instance is more than enough. What you practice is in same 1 instance is you can practice in multiple instances as well. So just for understanding purpose, I will provide you. Or if some environment is down, if demo 1 and demo environment is down, you can work on some other demo environments. At any given point of time, at least minimum 2 demo environments will be available at any given point of time. Okay, so what is the salary packages? So salary packages for 3 to 5 years is minimum 12 to 18 lakhs. Less than 3 years, 2 to 3 years experience, depend upon the modules you keep. Payroll, global HR, talent management, apps. If you keep 4 modules, you'll get minimum 12 to 18 lakhs package. If you, even though you are a fresher, you say that I am keeping as a fresher resume is 1 year experience, you can expect a minimum 4 to 6 lakhs package. 4 to 6 lakhs based upon your interview performance and confidence levels. Okay, artificial intelligence and machine learning can never replace this job because this is purely ERP based application and it's really complex to understand the requirements. Once you understand the requirements, configuration is very easy. Here the main thing is you have to understand what is the requirement. Okay, Oracle has partnered with Cohere. Internally, they have partnered with one company called Cohere. They are building artificial intelligence and they are embedding in that Oracle Fusion applications, as we discussed in. Okay. So today, almost we have done with the basic overview of what is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So if anybody is having any doubts, just please let me know. Otherwise, we will wind up the session and we will meet on Monday evening 6:30. Okay. So if anyone is having any kind of doubts, you can ask me in my contact number, mobile number. So this is my contact number, 957 945. This is my contact number. Okay, anyhow, whatever that I have reached out WhatsApp. So this is my contact number, 957-382-6945. You can reach out. So I'm having total 16 plus years of experience. With my experience, I can guide you and I can help you in getting your job. Okay. Any doubts, we can ask me. Otherwise, we can wind up the session and we can meet on Monday evening 6:30.
Nothing from now, Pawan. If you need anything, we will contact you.
Okay, sure. Okay. Okay, Tim. Thanks for your time. As discussed, 1 hour. Exactly, I've wind up the session in 1 hour. I don't want to waste your time and I don't want to waste my time as well. The sessions will be very precise, very focused, same like our demo session. Okay, very precise and very focused. If you give me your 4 months of time, daily 1 hour, and then you will get a very, for the next 10 years, it will be the foundation. Maybe you might be in different branches like testing or some non-IT background, IT background with different applications. But this is having very good future, because I have told you, right, in e-business suite, that is a old application they want to wind up by 2030. So what are the people who are working in e-business suite? They have to come to Fusion. So this is for next 30 years. Okay. This technology is mainly for next 30 years they built. Okay. If you learn this course, you are at least for next 10 years, you will have very good opportunities and very good packages without having any kind of fear of losing the job. Okay, team. Thanks for joining the session, and have a great day.
Thank you.